If you really want to crush it with your ads, you have to stop people from scrolling. And the best way to capture people's attention is with video. Hi everyone, it's Patrick from Flood Your Business. Make sure that you subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be creating content every week to help grow your business, as well as announcing fun and awesome giveaways. Alright, so today I wanted to explain to you why video works so well with getting new clients and how to actually create video and or work with a videographer. So why does video work so well when it comes to ads? Well, it has a lot to do with the relevancy score and what Facebook deems as engagement. Like I've mentioned in a lot of the other videos before, Facebook wants users to stay on as long as possible, so if there's a high amount of engagement, you will be rewarded and your reach will be a lot higher in your ads and the cost will go down for you to show it in front of people. Relevancy of your video is measured by time viewed and engagements. 3 seconds is considered a view, 10 seconds is considered consuming your content, and 15 seconds is considered excellent content. You'll also notice that Facebook mutes your video. Now, if your content is actually engaging and it piques somebody's interest, they might also want to listen to it. So quite often you'll have people click on the video to hear it, and that counts as engagement. Also, video just does a great job of demonstrating exactly what it is that you do. People are way more likely to actually comment on video. They're way more likely to like and actually share with their friends. And quite often you'll see them tag other people who may be interested in your service. Now let's talk about creating video. Not everybody can afford a videographer or has one in their network. So there are some things that you do want to focus on if you're going to go at it alone. Don't worry too much about audio because you're just going to overlay some royalty-free music. I'll put some links in the description below to give you some examples, but you can find royalty-free music in a lot of different areas. Talking head videos where you're just talking at the camera don't often work. We've seen them underperform, so you want to be careful with that kind of content. Generally, just high action, exciting content is usually the best bet for displaying your service. You want to make sure it's high quality. Now, if you're using a camcorder or if you're using a smartphone, just make sure that you have a stabilizer so it's not only high quality, but there's not a whole lot of shaking going on. You also want to utilize angles from top to bottom and also the zoom feature on either your camcorder or your smartphone because that will keep people engaged for longer. I generally don't recommend going over 60 seconds with your video because you want to be able to use it on Facebook and Instagram. And although Facebook does go a lot longer, Instagram is a great place to market, so make sure that if you're going to be doing longer videos that you are able to actually clip the second video, but again, I would recommend just having 60 seconds or less in your video. Now, if you're considering hiring a videographer, before you do so, make sure that you reach out to your network because what I've often found with my clients is that if you're currently doing business with a videographer, they are more than happy to help you out. And quite often you will get their service for way less than it normally costs you because videographers can be expensive. Now, if you're hiring a videographer, make sure that you look at their work, especially that they've been filming subjects in motion because quite often this is going to be a fast moving action recording that you want to put out on Instagram and Facebook. So make sure that they do have experience. In terms of budget, it can be all over the place really, but I would start with a cap of $1,500 because that's kind of what you're looking at for a possible budget campaign as well. And that piece of content can last you anywhere from 30 to 90 days. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about budgets and running the video with your campaign. Alright, so I want to give you some practical examples of some videos that we have used for our clients. And I'm going to give you a gradient of levels. The first is going to be a videographer that is fantastic, that's done all the editing for us. The second is content that was created, or I should say captured by a videographer, and we did all the editing. And then the last one was taken with a smartphone where we did all the editing. So I'm going to go ahead and share my computer now so that you can see some of these examples. This video was done by a videographer and edited by a videographer. So you can see it's a high frame rate in the beginning, build up music. They're doing like a shutter effect. It's quickly moving to the next scene. And the music is going to drop here. Boom. See how they're using the music with emotion?
then it's going to the next scene faster because the music is getting pumped up. So you see that they're at those angles, moving with the subject in the frame. Great music, good motion, high quality. It's exciting. This is what actually will work in terms of a campaign. This is what crushes it. We got over 100 leads in a few weeks with this campaign. Great videography, great editing. Next one was done by the videographer that we helped edit. So again, it's slow-mo, high frame rate. We got a build-up song. You see the going from the quick scenes, everyone working in unison together when the music drops. See how the movement goes with the music? It's captivating, right? You go back and forth between that high frame rate slow motion. Everybody working together on that beat. Sucks you in, right? If a video sucks you in, you're probably gonna opt in. All right, so this last one was done with an iPhone, and you can see that the music's pretty fast to start off with, so we're going real quick in terms of these scenes, right? Remember, it's anywhere from 8 to 15 seconds, so we're trying to keep people's attention here. Boom, we fade out. This one we're focusing more on like the people and the community. But again, looking at those angles, see that one was a good angle right there. High fives, stuff like that. If you can show emotion of the people who are watching it will empathize with that emotion. They connect with that, right? So this isn't super high quality film right here, but this one got over 100 leads in 2 weeks. Not a saturated market that we're working with, but this is exciting. People think, okay, I might be able to do this. This might be able to be something that I'm into. And we're going real quick, frame to frame, so we can hold their attention as long as we can. So the video and the ad does well over time.
Getting high quality content that is captivating on video will make all the difference in your campaigns. It is our go-to strategy when it comes to working with our clients, and I can almost guarantee you that it will make a drastic difference in the growth of your business. All right, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe with your notification bell on. We will be dropping content every week to help you grow your business, as well as announcing fun and awesome giveaways.